Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the Bixby Voice Volume Sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and in here tap on sounds and vibration. Next, we go down and tap on volume. Then go down and tap on Bixby Voice. Drag on the slider bar here. Drag it to the left to decrease the Bixby Voice sound, or you can increase the volume by dragging it to the right hand side. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.